Good day dear viewers, our team is now sharing with you a review of the registration and hotcode promo code of 1xbet. In this video you will find out how to register and enter today's hotcode promo code, which will give you 130% on your deposit. You will find the link below the video and the hotcode promotion code can also be found there, so you can copy it and enter it when you register. Unlike many bookmakers, 1xbet operates legally. BK1xbet operates under a license obtained from the island of Curacao, so it is legal in many countries. BK1xbet pays special attention to the design and functionality of the official website. Each section is designed so that it is clear how and what to do next. 1xbet is one of the biggest international bookmakers. The 1xbet bookmaker is now firmly at the top of the list of the best known and most popular brands. This brand first became known in 2007 when in Moscow, Russian Federation, it was decided to organize the organization of betting on the outcome of sports events on the basis of a powerful gaming platform. The new office was focused on players in the CIS countries. With the lapse of time, the geography of the office expanded considerably. The orbit of the bookmakers' activity included the countries of Central and Eastern Europe, the Baltic states and Transcaucasia. The bookmaker was created for the Russian-speaking audience, but eventually 1xbet became an international brand, capable to offer a competitive product for non-CIS betting fans as well. The owner of the brand is Cyprus-based 1x Corp NV. The licensing rights are held by the offshore company Accom Latin America NV. Bookmaker 1xbet is governed by International License No. 1668 JAS, issued by the Gambling Commission of the Government of Curacao, an overseas territory of the Netherlands with offshore status, in October 2017. The license holder is Accom Latin America NV. Due to this license format, the bookmaker is unofficially referred to as an offshore bookmaker. The main advantages are high odds, a wide range of sporting and non-sporting events, and a wide range of bonuses. When you go to the official website of the offshore bookmaker 1xbet, you will see the predominance of blue and white colors. The green buttons are very comfortably positioned and softly stand out, but don't interfere with the overall concept of the site. At the top of the screen is a banner that shows betting on future sporting events and bonus programs. To win, however, you must first register. First, in one click, you specify your country, be sure to select your currency as bonus is converted to your amount, and enter promotional code hotcode which you already see on the screen. Choose if you want sports or casino bonus, and press register button. If you go for the second registration option by phone, you will be prompted to enter your phone number, choose a currency, enter the promotion code hotcode, and then you will need the code you receive to your phone number, then pay attention to the bonus, and that's it, you are registered. Let's move on to the option of registration by mail. This is a bit more complicated and longer, but we recommend it. You enter your country, region, city you live in and only then choose currency. Then you enter your email, phone number, name. Most importantly, a password, and the mandatory entry you must fill in as well as the hotcode promotion code which you will now see on the screen, and your permanent choice of whether you want the casino bonus or the sports bonus. And we are down to our last option, which is the option to sign up via social networks or messenger. Here, it's quite simple. You choose your network option and just wait for all your details to be pulled up, then simply choose the currency and your country. Thank you for watching our video, great winnings and fast payouts.